Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome, dear students. I hope you are all doing well. Dear students, today we will start unit number 6, lesson number 2, words on page number 29. So dear students, this lesson number 2 is basically about our solar system, where we have a star, the biggest star, that is called Sun, and here we have planets. So all the planets orbit around the Sun. Then we have stars in our solar system. You can see the stars at night. And here we have Earth, that is also a planet where we live. Then here is a satellite that orbits around the biggest objects. And we have a space shuttle, or it is also called a spacecraft, and it is a vehicle and is designed to fly in the outer space. Then here we have moon. Moon is also a satellite, but it is a natural satellite, and that moon orbit around the Sun. So here we have exercise 1. Listen to your teacher and find the words in the diagram. Then listen and repeat. So first of all, here we have Sun. So dear students, Sun is a star at the center of the solar system, and it is by far the most important source of energy. Then we have planets. So in our solar system we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and they all are astronomical bodies, and they orbit around the star Sun. Then we have stars in our solar system. So dear students, stars are huge astronomical bodies made mostly of hydrogen and helium that produce light and heat from the churning nuclear forges inside their cores. Then we have moon in our solar system. So it is also an astronomical body orbiting around our Earth, and is the planet's only natural satellite, and it is the 5th largest satellite in the solar system. Then we have a satellite. Dear students, a satellite is an object in the space that orbits or circles around a biggest object, and there are two kinds of satellite. One is natural, such as the moon, and the other is artificial, such as the International Space Station that orbit around the Earth. Then we have space shuttle, and dear students, as I told you before, it is also called spacecraft, and it is designed to fly in outer space, and it is a type of artificial satellite. Or spacecraft are used for a variety of purposes, including the communications and Earth observation, etc. So this is our solar system, where we have Sun, planets, stars, Earth, satellite, space shuttle, and moon. So here we have exercise 2. Use words from exercise 1 to complete sentences below. Example: the Sun is a type of star. It is very, very hot. So here we have number 1. You can see the Sun between sunrise and sunset. In this blank, here we will write Sun. Number 2 is, on some nights you can see the moon. Sometimes you can see the moon in the early morning and in the evening around sunset. The moon goes round the Earth. Number 3 is, there are 8 planets which go round the Sun. Some are large and some are small. Some planets are very hot and some are very cold. Number 4 is we live on one of these planets called Earth. Number 5 is some satellites are space stations which orbit the Earth. Number 6 is to get a satellite from Earth you must travel in a spaceship. So dear students, here we have exercise 3 spelling patterns, ing forms. Add ing to the verbs in the box and complete the email below. So here we have the verbs take, hover, sit, circle, lie, come, fly, flash, watch. So dear students, here we have an email, imranb@abc.com. Subject, having fun. Dear Imran, yesterday Rizwan and I had an exciting time. We spent half of a day on the hill near the airport. I was sitting and watching the planes. Rizwan was lying. Here we have the word lie. So we will write it with the ing form, lying. Rizwan was lying in the grass and sleeping. A jet plane was taking off. Here we have a word. The first form will be take off and this is the second form. A jet plane was taking off when we arrived. Another plane was circling. Here we have the verb circle. So we will write another plane was circling. We will use the ing form in this blank with the verb circle. So another plane was circling the airport. A light under the plane was flashing. Here we have the verb flash. We will write it with the ing form, which is flashing. A third plane was flying. So here we have the verb fly and we will write it here with the ing form, which is flying. A third plane was flying towards the airport. Smoke was coming. Here we have the word coming, come, and we will write it with the ing form, coming. Smoke was coming out of one of its engines. A rescue helicopter was hovering over the airport. So here we have the verb hover and we will write it with the ing form, which is hovering. A rescue helicopter was hovering over the airport. Hope you are all well. Best wishes, Fahad. Dear students, this was your lesson number 2, which is about our solar system, and here at the end we have an email. So your homework for today is solve exercise number 2 and exercise number 3 in your notebook. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.